In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a website on Vercel step by step. First, you need to create a Vercel account. Head to the Vercel homepage and you'll see a sign up button in the top right corner. Click that. You'll be prompted to choose your plan type and enter your name. I recommend signing up with GitHub since it makes connecting repositories easier later on. Once you sign up, follow the verification prompts to activate your account. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the Vercel dashboard. Next, connect your GitHub account. You'll see an option to choose GitHub as your Git provider. Click that and authorize Vercel to access your repositories. You can grant access to all your repositories or just specific ones. Now you're ready to create your project. In the top right corner of the dashboard, click the Add New drop-down button and select Project. You'll see two options here, importing from an existing Git repository or using a template. We're going with the import option. Find the repository you want to deploy in the list and click the Import button next to it. Vercel will analyze your repository and try to detect the framework automatically. You'll now be on the Configure Project screen. First, review the project name field. This is what identifies your project in the dashboard and affects your default deployment URL. You can edit this if you want. Next, check that the framework preset dropdown matches your project. Vercel detects most frameworks automatically, so if it looks right, leave it as is. If you're deploying a simple static HTML project, you likely won't need to change anything here. If your website is stored in a subfolder rather than at the repository root, you'll need to change the root directory field. For most projects, you can leave this at the repository root. There's also an environment variables section on this screen. If you need to add API keys, database URLs, or other configuration values, expand that section and add them. Otherwise, skip it for now. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click the Deploy button at the bottom of the screen. Vercel will start building and deploying your project. This usually takes anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on the size of your project. You'll see a deployment progress screen with build times, the detected framework, and any logs or errors. When deployment finishes, Vercel assigns your site a unique vercel.app domain automatically. You can view the live URL from your project dashboard. From there, you can also manage custom domains, review past deployments, or change project settings. One thing worth knowing, once your repository is connected, every time you push new code to GitHub, Vercel will automatically create a new deployment. Each commit or pull request triggers a build, so your site stays up to date without you having to redeploy manually. Thanks for watching.